Hi traders! In this tutorial session, we'll show you how to find your open positions and close a trade from the XM app. While viewing a chart, tap on the arrows just above it and jump straight to the open positions page. From here, you'll nicely be able to see anything including symbol, size, entry price, and more. To close the position, select Close Trade. Close to confirm. You can also access your open positions by going directly to the Trade section. From there, select Close Trades. Close to confirm. Once closed, your trade will move to the History tab. In that case, you can expand this tab simply by selecting History to view full details on your closed positions. It's that simple. Just a few steps, you can monitor, manage, and close your trades all in one place. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.